capital budgeting, the most important topic called capital budgeting. It's a category item. For capital budgeting, project evaluation techniques is that. What are all the project evaluation techniques? Simple payback, payback reciprocal, accounting or average or annual rate of return, discounted payback, net present value, profitability index, also called desirability factor, internal rate of return, then modified or modified internal rate of return, multiple internal rate of return, capital rationing. These are all the segments are there. This examination, IRR is important, internal rate of rate is important, or decision making question will come. There, payback period will be there, IRR will be there, profitable index will be there. By way of reverse working, how to solve the problem. So either IRR based problem or reverse working problem is important. With the use of time value of money, frequently asked a question. Then conflict between IRR and net present value. In that circumstance, the general rule, net present value is a criteria to solve the problem. But in case of life disparity, what is called life disparity? Difference in life. Mission A's life is different from Mission B's life, or project A's life is different from project B's life. In this juncture, general rule is not applicable. You have to solve the problem by way of equivalent annual cash flow method. This time, equivalent annual cash flow method is important. Remember one thing, equivalent annual cash flow method applicable for income as well as expenses also. Clear? So solve one problem based on income, nothing but net present value based one, and solve one problem based on expenses. How much they are invested, Mission A and Mission B, how much the operating cost for Mission A and Mission B, what are the life disparity. So in case of expenses, whichever is less is important. Total expenses should be less after considering time value of money. In case of income approach, net present value where we are going to get more, that project is we have to select. So these are all the important elements with respect to capital budgeting concern. Next,